Got a question from a property manager asking if a successor trustee to a trust has the authority to hire a property management company and where would they find that information. Hi, my name is Rob Wells. I'm the Landlord Warrior on TikTok and YouTube. Please feel free to like, share, subscribe to our videos. Now, we deal with a lot of trustees, particularly successor trustees that might be managing their parents' estate or another loved one. They might have passed away or become incapacitated, and now that successor trustee is going to come in to manage the trust and so forth. And you usually have this situation. I used to do estate planning where you set up a revocable trust so to prevent your assets from going into probate and dealing with when someone is incapacitated, the successor trustee can step in the shoes of the creator of the trust, called a settlor, to basically manage assets and so forth like that. And we, from time to time, have successor trustees come in. They're managing their parents' property, rental portfolio. Now they need to hire a property manager, and property manager's asking a good question. Hey, can this person hire me? The answer is generally yes. Under the probate code, section 16247, a trustee has the power to hire persons including accountants, attorneys, auditors, investment advisors, appraisers, and other agents, even if they're associated with the trustee themselves, to advise or assist the trustee in performance of their administrative duties. One of the things that, if you have a rental portfolio, basically, is you're going to have to, collect rents and, honor the leases and so forth like that. So a trustee can hire a property manager to help them with that, okay? Most trust term documents, too, are going to give the trustee those broad powers as well. So generally speaking, it's best to consult with the trust documents as well. The trust document should usually list who the successor trustees are, if they're going to serve in any particular owner, or if they're going to have co-trustees, that type of deal. Now, my only caution for co-trustee situations are some trusts allow one trustee to bind the trust to everything versus other trust documents may require a unanimous vote. And I believe under the probate code, if the document is not, the trust doesn't specify, then there might have to be unanimous action taken by all trustees. Everyone has to be in agreement and so forth. So your mileage is going to vary, but the trust declaration itself are the certification of trust outlining who's who and what powers they have, generally needs to be consulted. And if you ever had a question about that, you're a property manager and you don't know if they have an authority or not, it's best to talk with counsel about that. So if you're in the Northern California area, you're a property manager or you're a landlord or you're a successor trustee and you don't know how you need to manage the properties, or if you can terminate tenancies, that type of deal, you need to know these things. Feel free to reach out. We might be able to help out. Put your comments, questions down below. Try to answer them to the best of my ability. Until next time, folks, talk to you then. See ya.